Design Web is a 2D CAD application which runs in your browser and enables you to create and edit DXF files. It's free open source software and it's available on this web address. So if you type in design-web.uk, the application will open up in your browser. And if you are familiar with AutoCAD workflows, you will feel like at home in design because the commands work in a similar way. So you can create your objects here. You can move those objects. You can rotate them. All of these commands work very similar to the way they work in AutoCAD. You have also command line here, so you can use that. So if I type in L, hit enter, line starts, I click here, move my mouse here, type in 20, and I created this line 20 units long. Design Web also offers some basic management options. So you have got your layer management. So I will create a new layer and change the color. Now I will make it active, and if I create a new polyline, it's placed on that layer, and I can also hide, let's say this layer, I will make it invisible. There's also properties palette, so if I select the polyline, you can see the properties of the objects. We have got text styles and some other snapping settings, and I can also hide the grid. And of course, I can save the files as DXF, or I can open existing DXF files. So I did not want to save this one. And I will open my garage floor plan, and I can start to work on my garage project. It's important to note that the data that you are working with is not leaving your machine. Even though the application runs in a browser, it runs locally, so no data is leaving your machine, so you don't have to be worried about the data privacy. The application is still in its alpha stage, so early development, so many features are still missing, but they are being worked on. The Design Web application also has its desktop counterpart called Design. This runs only on Linux, and you might access it through FlatHub. If you are interested in how to use Design Web to create this garage floor plan, you can check out the design playlist on my channel. It will be linked in the description box below, and it covers the usage of the desktop version, which is for the most part the same as the web version. The application is really nice, and it's always at your fingertips in your browser without any account or user login. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.